Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to draw a dashed line in Illustrator, and I'll guide you step by step to create both dashed and dotted lines for your designs. Step 1. Start by drawing a path to dash. Select the line segment tool from your toolbar, or press the # key. Click and drag on your artboard to draw a line, holding Shift to keep it perfectly horizontal or vertical. Make sure your line is selected. Step 2. Open the stroke panel by going to Window, then click on Stroke. Click the menu icon and choose Show Options. This will give you access to advanced stroke settings so you can customize your line. Step 3. Enable dashed lines by checking the dashed line box. Set the first dash value to 12 points and the first gap value to 8 points. Your line will immediately update to a repeating pattern of dashes and gaps. Step 4. You can also apply these settings to any shape outlines. Draw a rectangle, ellipse, or any other shape, and follow the same process to give its border a dashed or dotted look. This adds flexibility and style to your Illustrator designs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more Illustrator tutorials.